In this video, you will learn how to approve a work order in OFS PRO. A work order can be created directly or can start as a proposal. For more information on proposals, see our instructional videos, Creating a Proposal in OFS PRO and Converting a Proposal to a Work Order in OFS PRO. To enable work order approvals in OFS PRO, first define the approval workflow. The ability to define approval workflow is only available to administrators and managers. To access approval workflow setup, click on Configuration, then Setup, and lastly on Approval Workflow. To create a new approval workflow setting, press Ctrl+N or right-click on any part of the main grid and select New. On this form, enter all the information requested in the mandatory fields: document type, business unit, area, and first approver. You can also fill in the other optional fields to further customize the approval process. The first, second, and third approvers are employee classes that determine who can approve work orders. All active employees who belong to the employee class, business unit, and area will have the opportunity to approve matching work orders. Once the form is filled, click OK to save. Work orders are matched to approval workflow steps by the corresponding business unit and area. The information defined in the approval workflow will be used to match with corresponding work orders. The corresponding work order field values should match the data contained in an approval workflow step. For the workflow approval step to be activated, the corresponding business unit, area, and customer should be the same, and the job type used in the work order should be included in the service type used in the workflow approval. The work order becomes available for approval as soon as a field user clicks the Finish button from the OFS field and synchronizes their data. Work orders that are ready for approval can be reviewed and processed in a few simple steps. Once the work order is completed in OFS field and the field user's data has been synchronized, the work order status changes to completed and a notification will appear in the lower right-hand side of the screen. Click on the notification to automatically open the approval grid. Alternatively, you can access the list of work orders waiting for approval via the Back Office tab in the main menu under Management Approvals. Only completed work orders with field tickets are shown in this grid and can be approved. The details in this grid include the following: alerts, work order number, start date, time, area, location, service type, supervisor, total charge, and job description. If necessary, you can open and review the work order in detail before approving. Once the work order is reviewed, mark the corresponding checkbox to select it. Click the Approve button. A pop-up message will indicate the process has been completed successfully. Click Done to finish the process. The approved work order will now be removed from your approval queue, either moving to the approval queue of the next approver or set to Ready Status, in which case it will appear in the Generate Invoices grid. You can repeat the same process to approve another work order. Alternatively, you can select several work orders to be approved at the same time. Congratulations! You are now ready to approve work orders in OFS PRO. For more useful articles and instructional videos, visit us on YouTube or go to help.ofspro.com.